Okay, so I'm trying to play on my Xbox console, but there's one problem. One itty bitty bitty humongous problem. Everything is fucked. It's not. It's hard to make out words. It's either very thick or blurry. Now, when I try to report a problem, takes a second, on that. And then gibberish. Straight up yeah, hang on. Gibberish. I can barely understand. How am I supposed to report anything if I can't understand how to do it? Jesus, does anyone else have this problem? Does anyone else have, like, what is this shit? What is it? What? Why? Like, who, what, when, where, why? The fuck? Alright, please tell me if anyone else has had this problem.